Interim income model, instant, active, and complete, done for you business. IIM is the exact same business that Cliff is running and earning a full-time income with. In total, there are about 200 funnels, depending on the level you purchase, instantly set up for you that are specifically designed to build your email list on autopilot and generate direct sales right into your own PayPal account. These are funnels that are designed to pull in income as an affiliate. Easily build your list using funnels that are already proven converters. You don't need domains. You don't need web hosting. You will not need technical skills, and you will not need an autoresponder unless you want to capture leads. All funnels are personalized to you. You give the information you want the visitors to see on your funnels. You'll be getting an admin control panel where you manage your business from. Select the funnels you're going to work with, and so on. In that control panel, in the tutorial section, Cliff goes into great detail about the two specific traffic sources that he uses exclusively, and he walks you through how to use them yourself. However, if you have your own traffic source, well, go ahead and use it. IIM has short form funnels for lead capture only. It also has long form funnels designed to not only build your list, but also make money for you along the way. The funnel already contains the product. You just set the price you want to sell it for. And any sales of those products goes 100% directly into your own PayPal account. You'll have 3 levels to choose from. Level number 1, 25 complete lead capture funnels. Level number 2, 75 proven funnels. It's a mix of short form and long form lead capture funnels. And level 3, 200 proven funnels. Level 3 will always be updated automatically, instantly, with any or all funnels that Cliff uses. You're getting the exact funnels that Cliff uses. You have a near exact admin control panel as he has. If he makes a change to one of his funnels in his business in order to increase conversion, your IMM funnels will get that change as well. The second he makes that change in his own business, it is automatically reflected in your own business as well. If Cliff finds an affiliate offer that is converting well, he'll go ahead and create a full funnel for it in order to automate his own workload. That means the very second that he uploads his new funnel, you too have instant access to the exact same funnel as him in real time. You are truly jumping directly to the tip top of the marketing food chain, and all of the work is done for you. Cliff says, I'll put my own business in your hands, the exact same business that I'm running and earning a full-time income with. In fact, it's a real-time mirror image synced copy of my personal business. For complete information, and also to watch a 5-minute video that fully describes exactly what Cliff is offering, click the link below this video.